Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of How to Tech. This is Adam, your host, and today we're going to be going over how to find uninstall strings that you can plug into the command line and manually uninstall any program that is on your computer. This is helpful a lot of times when you have stubborn programs that will not uninstall, or maybe if you want to uninstall something that you don't see when you go into add and remove programs. So let's take a look at how to do this. First, we're going to go to the registry editor on your computer. So type reg, and when you type reg, you see the first hit there is the registry editor. You want to open it up and run it as administrator. Make sure you have local admin rights on your machine when you do this. And when you're in the registry editor, just a quick rundown. The editor has 5 main hives, and these hives are root user, local machine users, and current config. Anytime you want to make a change to your machine that's going to apply to everybody that logs onto it, you're going to make a change to local machine. That's the most common place that you're going to want to do something in registry editor. Always be careful using registry editor because you can break your machine forever. Well, not forever, but you're going to have to, a lot of times, completely reimage the machine if you break something. But you can also do a lot of good and useful things with the registry editor if you know what you're doing. So to find our uninstall strings, we're going to go to the local machine hive, and then we're going to go to software. And we have 2 different places where we can find uninstall strings. If you're looking to uninstall a 32-bit program, you're going to go into Windows from here. If you're looking to uninstall a 64-bit program, you're going to go to the WoW 6432 node. But in this case, we are going to look for Edge because we want to uninstall Microsoft Edge, and that's a 64-bit program. So we're going to go here, we're going to go to Microsoft, then we're going to scroll down to Windows, and then we're going to go to current version, and then finally we're going to go to the uninstall directory. See it right there? Okay, now here are the programs that are 64-bit and are installed on this machine right now. You'll notice some of them don't have names. What these are the GUID for the program. And so some programs, that's how Windows is identifying them with the GUID or the GUID, which is basically just the number that associates with the program itself. So this GUID associates with, for example, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable. This one is for this Microsoft Visual C++ minimum runtime. This one is the same thing, just another version there. And you'll notice on all of these that there is a key or there's an uninstall string on every one of them. These are the strings that if you plug in their values to the command prompt, they will remove the software. Now in our case, we're going to try to get rid of Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go down here to Edge, and I see there's an uninstall string. So if you double click on the uninstall string, it comes up for you and it's already highlighted. Now if you just simply Control-C and copy that string, you then are going to paste that into the command prompt. So I'll go back to start, type in CMD, the command prompt. I'm going to run that as administrator. And then I'm just going to Control-V, or you should be able to right-click the mouse. And there's the uninstall string. I'm going to press Enter. And now it should be uninstalling Microsoft Edge. Yep, see, came right up. Do you also want to clear your browsing data? Sure, why not? Uninstall. Now I'm going to close the command prompt. I'm going to get out of the registry editor. And sure enough, I do not have an icon anywhere for Edge anymore. If I go to the start button and I type in Edge, you'll see that it is no longer installed on the machine. Now this is Microsoft's recommended browser. If I tap this now, see what this says. This file does not have an app associated with it any longer. So it is now off the machine. If I go to add and remove programs, you'll see now that Microsoft Edge should be gone, and it is. There was an Edge and an Edge update listed here in the list of programs, and now Edge is gone. And so that's just a clever way to uninstall programs using the command prompt and finding the uninstall string via the registry editor. This will help you to get programs off of your computer that sometimes are hard to get off or are hard to find, or you don't know how to uninstall them. This will help you in those instances. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments, just leave them down below. Let me know what you think. If you like, please click like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching How to Tech. This is Adam. We'll see you in the next video.